her. I love her. I just wanna take her out and prove what a real man supposed to do. We can lay around and play around and got time to hang with my crew. I love her.
Hello. So I'm back at my favorite place, the airport. Wait a minute. I won't be doing introductions. Welcome and welcome back. My name is Tammy. Welcome to Journey with Tammy. I'm on a journey in the airport. We're going to New York today. We're going to a Sir concert. I'm so excited. I went to see him in Atlanta last year, and now I'm committed to following him wherever. So there's that. But anyway, just made it through TSA. Both bags got stopped. The one time I ain't even got nothing. Both bags. Well, my flight leaves in like an hour. My best friend is already in New York. She got there yesterday. I'll be there. I think my flight leaves at like 12. I don't know. But I'm gonna put y'all down now because when I be recording in public, I feel kind of weird and I ain't got used to that yet. So I'll see y'all later. One thing about Charlotte Airport is you're gonna get your steps up. Look at that.
For your safety and the safety
Look
of
how
others,
far.
please use caution when entering and exiting the moving walkways and escalators.
Also,
the use of wheelchairs, strollers, baggage carts, walkers, and pets are strictly prohibited on moving walkways and escalators. Do not leave infants or small children unattended or unsecure.
Don't leave them damn kids unattended. Anyway, I'm not flying with the big dog today, y'all. I'm flying with Frontier, and I feel like I'm cheating on my man. I only fly Spirit, but Spirit wanted like 150. Frontier, they gave it to me for 85 with the carry-on. Like, sorry. Anyway, all right, my arm hurts. I'll see y'all later. They're both right here. I just text my best friend to see how much she paid for her taxi. The Uber's $35. I feel like a taxi, they probably want like 40, 50. I'm waiting on her to respond. Quickly. $60.04. She just replied back. Let me head on down to Uber. Boom, that's it. This is the tour. Okay, we are in New York. I'm staying at the Spring Hill Suites. Spring Hill Suites, Queens. Get a look at this. All right, this is what you get. Guess how much this room costs, y'all? Guess with my discount how much this room costs. Y'all see it. Go to Elite. Here's the bathroom. This ain't nothing fancy, you know. We only here for tonight. What it like? We only here for tonight. Got your little walk-in. All right. I really hope that's water and not piss. Here I am. Let's take a look at the view. We're on the 9th floor. I do like that headboard design. Okay, that was the air that just kicked on. I was about to say we might have to switch rooms, baby. Let's look at this beautiful view. Wow. This is an amazing view. As y'all can see, this is why I only chose this place for one night because, yeah, it's a little warehouse. It's giving warehouse. But this mirror, okay. Oh, I look a little thick. Hold on. I'm talking about looking a little thick. Girl, you are. Eating that cabbage and cornbread. I might need a little. Hold on. Hold on. Y'all know this for a thumbnail. I be saying that and don't even make the damn thing a thumbnail. I be like, thumbnail. No damn thumbnail. All right. I don't know if I even filmed that last clip of the room in not 4K, HD, whatever. Ain't no big wolf. This is the room. Now, my mission is to find a dispensary. I have to smoke, of course, get something to eat. And my plans was, I got accounting homework to do. Well, it's not even due until the 4th, but with this accounting class, I have to anyway, y'all don't care about that. Do some schoolwork, but I really feel like being outside. It looks so beautiful. So I'll pick y'all back up in a minute or a couple hours. I don't know. I knew it looked familiar. This is what Nas was talking about. Okay. Okay, got the little lunch. So. This is so cute. It's like Subway. Just left the dispensary, which coincidentally is next to Alcoholics Anonymous. So if you ain't gonna smoke, if you ain't gonna drink, you can at least smoke. All right, the most important part is done. We got the weed. We got the weed. She got the Hennessy.
Damn, they got the Hennessy! Fuck! They got the Hennessy!
Got the weed. I'ma probably come back out and get some pizza. I really want pizza. And I don't usually even eat pizza, but hey, when in Rome, right? But yeah, get something to eat. I really have no other plans because I'm only gonna be in this area for one day. I really ain't trying to go out and do too much, but I don't know. We're gonna have to see. We're gonna see. This is the first meal. Got some honey wings, shrimp fried rice. Apparently they use yellow rice, or either the rice is a little burnt. They got a little bit of vegetables. Ooh, let me show y'all. But yeah, it was a very interesting spot. So I'm pretty sure the food is going to be delicious. I don't really like to eat on camera because this lighting is terrible. I can do better. Let me be a better vlogger. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. I'm not vlogging off my camera. I haven't taken it out. I'm probably gonna vlog on that tomorrow. It's no point. I'm only in this room for one night. Anyway, I'm about to try this food. This is really yellow rice. Couple of shrimp. The serving size is smaller than what it is in the South, but got the duck sauce. Okay. I ain't mad at it. It's no China Garden. I'll tell you that. Oh wait, let me check. Let me try the chicken wings. I swear oh wait. I couldn't tell them all flats because they take their wings and they cut them. It's whole wings and then they cut them. Let's see. Okay. They doing something. All right, I'm about to eat. I guess I could review it. 7 out of 10. All right, bye. It is many hours later. Here I am with more food, and I'm watching House Hunters. I'm old, but my first time trying a New York City pizza. I have a cheese pizza. I think I want to put this in the microwave a little bit more. Hold on, let me put this in the microwave. Anyway, I got cheese. How is this warm? But the cheese. I got cheese, and then I have mushroom and cheese. I didn't know it was gonna be this much mushrooms on it, but yeah. I'll be back. Oh no, don't embarrass me like that. Let me warm this up. I don't know if I'm gonna put this in the vlog or not, because I don't like showing y'all. I don't like eating on camera. But anyway. That's a little sweet. Okay. I ain't mad at it. It's just pizza. This place is Champion Pizza. I got the cheese. They went crazy with the mushrooms on this other pizza. I'll pick a couple out. I'm talking about, it looked like a cheesesteak. Bad angle for one. Number two, the amount of mushrooms. I mean, it did say mushroom pizza, but damn. They literally put a whole damn, I don't know how many mushrooms they put on this thing. Anyway, there we go. That's better. I want a couple mushrooms on my pizza. Look at there. All right, I'm about to eat. I'll call y'all back later. Might be tonight. Might be tomorrow.